Do you want to complete your job in that particular time, or you want to do things like you want to have your own lifestyle? Like if you are going to gym at 7 p.m,
Yes.
you should manage, you should try to manage going to gym every day at that particular time. Is that what you are asking? Like you want to manage time according to your lifestyle, or you want to do things like if you want to complete your any projects on a particular time period?
Yeah,
I just need this clarity.
Yeah, that is correct. That's only I wanted to ask you.
Yeah.
So, actually, how do we manage the time according to our timetable? Because we will be having a lot of things in our cycle. So, how to manage all those things?
See what happens. Your mind always it will focus on whatever the things you see, like whatever the things you hear, you talk, you experience. Your mind will invest time on that particular vibration. So there is a subconscious mind in which you will be thinking to complete any job in that particular time, like in whatever the time you have fixed already in your mind, you want to complete that particular job in that particular time, but you feel it's difficult to complete that job, you fail to manage your time. That's because you fail to, what happens when you go outside, when you are influenced by things, thoughts, friends, you don't own that time. Someone else will decide your today's activities.
Yes.
According to you, you have planned already. You have planned that today by this time I will complete this job. After half an hour I will go and have my lunch.
Yes.
You have made your own plan, but what happens? Situations will demand something else. You don't know what next you are going to do. What is the thing that you are going to experience? There are surprises, right?
Yes.
But still, if you want to manage your time, you are supposed to limit yourself to some vibration. If at all, if a work is important for you, if at all, if that project is important for you, you need to limit yourself to that project. If at all, if you want to timely complete that project, what happens? Sometimes it becomes difficult. Whatever the work you are doing, that is nothing related to your project, but you have your deadline. You are supposed to complete that project.
Yes.
In such cases, it is better to connect to your vibration of your particular project. I'll give you some example. Like if you're working on any project, and if you're supposed to complete that project in 6 to 7 days, and you have lot of pressure, you know how exactly you know every day what you're supposed to do, you are clear in your mind. But if you delay even single day among those 7 days, it postpones your delivery.
Yes.
In such cases, what you are supposed to do, you need to choose whether you are supposed to invest your time and energy on something else, like some other vibrations. Suppose if your friends call you to attend a theater, like if you are going to watch a movie, you should decide whether that vibration is suitable for this situation or not. If it is okay to watch that movie after 1 week, if something is more important than watching that movie today, it is better you decide whether it is important to stick to that project, or it is okay to go and watch a movie. So these are the things which you are supposed to bisect. I think you got my point, right?
Yeah.
If at all, if you want to complete any particular project on any particular deadline, you are supposed to know the vibration of that project, and you are supposed to stick to that project, stick to that vibration.